With Scott Air Force Base nearby, OFallon is a Midwestern small town with an international twist, influenced and enriched by residents who have lived all over the world. What will it take for OFallon to be its version of a world-class city? Researchers have identified common denominators that work at a human scale to create big impact. World-class cities offer great places. Great places, like Vine Street Market, are a feast for your senses. Places to sit, music to hear, food to eat, and people to meet. The Power of 10 Plus is a framework to think about great places that says places thrive when visitors have a range of reasons, 10 or more, to be there. Great places have an exceptional impact on the city's perception and add to its resilience. More than just an added bonus, programming is a fundamental component of world-class cities. Programming activates places, bringing them to life with people through shopping, dining, culture, and local events. In a world-class city, you don't have to travel far for groceries or to connect with others. Everything you need is within easy reach. Access is also essential to building strong neighborhoods. Accessibility to parks, schools, and goods and services. Create a 15-minute city where everything people need is close by. By creating and maintaining a variety of housing options, world-class cities cultivate inclusive and friendly neighborhoods where people of all ages feel safe and connected. World-class cities work for everyone, and that requires an effective multimodal transportation network to support mobility for all ages and abilities. World-class cities support health and well-being through parks and open space and a built environment that encourages walking and biking as a part of everyday life. Great infrastructure is the backbone of a world-class city. Public investments like well-maintained roads and state-of-the-art utilities inspire private investment. A world-class city promotes a talented and economically secure workforce to drive business innovation and financial prosperity. With the OFallon 2040 Master Plan, we have the chance to design the community we want. By considering these components of world-class cities, OFallon can meet and exceed the expectations of current and future residents, businesses, and visitors.